Today's rapidly evolving world of AI and robotics, finding a truly valuable biomedical engineering internship in the United States can feel overwhelming. But what if there's a smarter, more strategic way to land an opportunity that genuinely boosts your career? In this video, we'll reveal the secrets no one tells you about securing a meaningful internship, regardless of city or state. Let's dive into the mindset shifts, practical steps, and unconventional strategies that will set you apart from the crowd. First, it's time to change your mentality. The world's needs have shifted, and so must your approach. Instead of focusing solely on analytical or design skills, start admiring hands-on experiences. Employers in biomedical engineering, especially those working with AI and robotics, value candidates who can blend theory with practical know-how. This mindset will help you recognize opportunities others might overlook and prepare you for the real challenges in the field. Adopting a biomedical engineering technologist mindset is a game changer. This means thinking beyond textbooks and embracing the role of a problem solver who's comfortable with both hardware and software. In the AI and robotics era, employers look for individuals who can troubleshoot, repair, and innovate on the spot. Cultivating this perspective will make you more adaptable and attractive to potential mentors and employers. Start practicing by disassembling any malfunctioning electronics or medical devices you can access. This hands-on experience is invaluable. Not only does it sharpen your technical skills, but it also builds your confidence in handling real-world equipment. Whether it's an old radio, a broken game console, or a discarded medical device, every piece you take apart and reassemble adds to your expertise and your resume. Now let's get practical. Open Google Maps and search your local area for places like electronics repair shop, electronics part supplier, or appliance repair service. These businesses are often hubs of technical activity and can be gateways to hands-on learning. By exploring what's nearby, you'll uncover hidden opportunities that aren't listed on traditional job boards. After identifying potential businesses, visit their websites. Take time to check their products and services. Look for offerings like electronics repair, freezer repair, robotics repair, or infrastructure planning. These keywords indicate that the business deals with complex systems, exactly the kind of environment where your biomedical engineering skills can shine. When you find businesses that match your interests, save their physical addresses. Creating a list of these locations is crucial for your next steps. This organized approach ensures you don't miss any valuable opportunities and helps you plan your outreach efficiently. Compile a comprehensive list of all the medical supply stores and repair shops you've identified. This list will be your roadmap as you seek out hands-on internship opportunities. The more thorough your list, the greater your chances of finding a valuable placement. Before you visit these businesses, make sure your resume is up to date. Highlight your hands-on skills, any relevant coursework, and your passion for AI and robotics. Printing several copies will allow you to distribute them efficiently as you visit each location. Now comes the most important step: visit each store in person. Hand-delivering your resume shows initiative and sets you apart from online applicants. Whenever possible, ask to speak directly with an engineer or technician. This personal touch can make a lasting impression and open doors to opportunities that aren't advertised. When you meet with professionals, confidently discuss your skills in assembly, especially using screws and basic tools. Demonstrating your practical abilities can convince them of your readiness to contribute, even as an intern. Employers appreciate candidates who can hit the ground running. Persistence is key. Repeat this process with every business on your list. Each visit is a learning experience and increases your chances of finding the right fit. Don't get discouraged if you don't get an immediate response. Consistency and determination often pay off in the long run. As you go through this journey, document your experiences. Keeping a record of where you've been, who you've spoken to, and what you've learned will help you refine your approach and track your progress. Plus, these stories can become valuable talking points in future interviews. Don't keep your experiences to yourself. Share what you've learned with peers, mentors, and online communities. Networking is a powerful tool in the biomedical engineering field, and your unique journey can inspire others and attract valuable connections. Sum up: finding a meaningful biomedical engineering internship in the AI and robotics era requires a proactive mindset, hands-on practice, and creative outreach. By following these steps, you'll not only discover valuable opportunities but also develop the skills and confidence needed for a successful career. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace every step along the way.